Composition of air. Air is a mixture of number of gases and some other particles. So now let us learn about them. Water vapor. Water vapor is present in the air as a gaseous form of water and is responsible for humidity. Air contains water vapor which helps maintain the water cycle. The amount of water vapor in the air varies from place to place and time to time. So, the amount of water vapor present in the air is not fixed for all the place and all time. Now, how water vapor is added into the atmosphere? The sun heats up the water in the seas and oceans. This water evaporates and forms water vapor. So, this is how the water vapor is added to the atmosphere. When this air comes in contact with cold surface, it is these vapors that turns into droplets of water due to condensation. So this shows that air contains water vapor. Oxygen. It is the oxygen in the air that helps humans and animals to carry out the respiration process. Oxygen is also required for fire to keep burning. Now, how can we show that oxygen is required for burning? Now, for this we require two candles. Fix two candles of about same length on a table and light both the candle. Now next, cover one of the candle with an inverted glass tumbler. Here, after some time, we observe that the candle which is covered with the inverted glass tumbler will flicker off or blow off. On the other hand, the first candle is continue to burn. This happens because in this candle, it is getting continuous supply of air. On the other hand, the second candle, when it is covered with the inverted glass tumbler, it is not getting continuous supply of air, and the amount of oxygen present in this glass tumbler, as it is limited, it will be finished off and it will blow off. So this shows that the component of air which supports burning is oxygen. Nitrogen. The major part of air is nitrogen. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide makes up a small component of air. Plants and animals consume oxygen for respiration and produce carbon dioxide gas. Plants and animal matter also consume oxygen on burning and produce carbon dioxide and few other gases. So these are the two processes through which the carbon dioxide is added into the atmosphere. The fire also uses up oxygen to burn and then produce carbon dioxide and few other gases upon burning. That's why we feel suffocated if there is something burning inside the room. This happens due to an excess of carbon dioxide as fire continues to burn in the room and the amount of oxygen in that room decreases. Dust and smoke. Dust and smoke particles are also present in air. Smoke is another component given out when fire burns. It is very harmful and adds fine dust particles and few other gases to the air. Smoke coming out of the chimneys from factories and vehicles cause air pollution. This is why industries use long chimneys in order to release the smoke in the higher up of the air. The air also contains very fine dust particles which can be seen when a beam of light enters a dark room. The tiny particles that we have observed flying in the beam of light is nothing but the dust particles. It is advised to breathe only through our nose and not through our mouth, because air contains very fine dust particles, and it is advised to breathe through our nose because the nose contains some fine hair and mucus, and this hair and mucus generally filter this dust particle that is present in the air. So the hair and the mucus will filter the dust particle, and it will not allow this dust particle to enter inside our respiratory system, and it will save us from harming ourselves. So we can say that from this figure, about 21% of air contains oxygen and 78% of nitrogen. Carbon dioxide is present in a very small quantity. It is 0.04%, and oxygen and nitrogen, these two together form 99% of air, while the other components like carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust and smoke and other gas particles, it form only 1% of air around us. So air is a mixture of different gases and particles like oxygen, water vapor, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, dust and smoke. Thank you.